it's Raquel here, and this is my Charlotte, and we have some goodies from Sizzix here. This is one of the My Life Handmade kits. This is for the unicorn mask, and Charlotte has been begging, haven't you, to make this. So she's going to give me a hand to create this. Apparently it has everything in here. I've seen these in Spotlight in Australia. It has everything that you need in here. So there's meant to be an instruction sheet, some pink yarn, some pink felt, some white felt, some silver fabric, some pink ribbon, wadding, the label, elastic, needle and thread, and pattern. So we're going to see how we go. Wish us luck, because it looks super adorable. And see how easy this is to create together. So I'll do the bits that I think maybe are a bit too tricky for Charlotte. Charlotte's going to do what she can here to help us and wear it. And we're going to get creating and change our view in a moment so that you can see what we're doing. But I thought I'll unbox it with you. So here, Charlotte, here is... Okay, do you want to start undoing that bit? So these are our instructions. So there is some steps down this side with pictures of, I'm guessing, the order that you do things. So, oh yeah, here we go. So we need to know how to do a back stitch and a running stitch here. So we'll need some scissors and some pins. So I'll have to find those and grab those. No, the pins, I mean. And it says here through the pictures, so sort of a step one, pin the pattern pieces to the felt and cut out. Using the pink thread, sew the pink ear pieces in place. So there's sort of pictures. It does sound a bit tricky. We're not sewers. It's got the pictures there for us to follow. I think this is, you know, open that one. So, oh, goodies. So it sort of all comes in a bit of a tissue paper, and there is some felt pieces. Oh, that's our pattern pieces. Some wadding here. Some thread on a little spool. Some wool, ribbon, felt. Oh, that's that silver piece. And then there's even the little My Life Handmade, which is the branding for it as well. So these are from Sizzix. Cute. So wish us luck. We're going to get started. hat on, first reveal. We added a little bow that we had in our little stash.
Feels comfortable already.
How's it feel?
Comfortable.
Oh, it looks gorgeous. You going to sleep with that now?
Yeah.
Little eye mask. So that is the My Life Handmade unicorn mask.
Wait.
Make it yourself.
Wait, did we forget something?
We've done it. Oh, we haven't put the little tag on. We'll have to remember to put the My Life Handmade little tag on. But we're finished. I hope you liked it. See you. Bye.
Bye.